Okay, 2010, number 4, and there's no calculator. Another good one. It's straightforward, area and volume. We have our bounded region drawn for us. And let's see here, find the area of R. So that's going to be straight. You're going to integrate top minus bottom, and you're going to use your X coordinates as your limits. So when I integrate here, I'm looking at the area is from 0 to 9, top minus bottom, and remember 2 radical x is 2x to the 1/2. When I integrate it, I get 6x minus. Here's my work right here for integrating that. Here's the 2, that's the constant. X to the 3/2 divided by 3/2 is the same thing as multiplying by 2/3. So you get 4/3 x to the 3/2. Evaluate from 0 to 9. Sub in your upper limit. 9 times 6, that's 54. 9 to the 3/2, what you need to realize. 9 to the 3/2 means square root 9, you get 3. 3 cubed is 27. 27 divided by 3 is 9. Times 4 is 36. So when I plug in my 9, I get 54 minus 36. So that's upper limit minus, when I sub in my lower limit, I just get 0. My answer is 18. Now, write but do not evaluate an integral expression when I rotate around y equals 7. So this is where my picture really helps me. Y equals 7 is another horizontal line above the bounded region. I draw my radius from the axis of revolution to the outside of the bounded region, axis of revolution to the inside of the bounded region. So to find volume, this is my general formula. Pi integral big R squared minus little r squared. How do I find the radius? Top minus bottom. So volume equals pi times the integral. Big R squared is going to be top minus bottom of the big radius. So 7 minus 2 radical x squared, minus, to find the little radius, top minus bottom squared. Make sure you have a dx on there. Your limits are 0 to 9. Again, x coordinates. Part C. The cross section is perpendicular to the y-axis, and we're doing rectangles, and the height is 3 times the base. So the area of a rectangle is base times height. So to find the volume, I'm going to integrate base times height. So when I look at this, okay, the base is going to be right minus left. The height is going to be 3 times that. So if I look, in order for me to do right minus left, I need to solve for x. So I take my equation, divide by 2, square both sides, and this is the formula I want to use. So the volume is the integral of base times height. The base is right minus left times the height is 3 times the base. My limits are now based on my y coordinates. Make sure everything's in terms of y and you have a dy at the end, and that's it.